Welcome. Today, we'll explore the importance and purpose of creating a robust business plan. Let's break down the key components of a business plan so you know what to include. The executive summary is your chance to make a great first impression. Here's how to craft it effectively. Conducting thorough market analysis is key to understanding your audience and standing out. Next, let's outline your marketing strategy to effectively reach and engage your customers. Your operational plan defines how your business will run day to day. It's crucial to get this right. Let's detail your management structure and the roles within your team. This is vital for accountability. Developing accurate financial projections will help you plan and secure funding for your business. Remember to include an appendix with any extra documents that support your business plan. Finally, we'll discuss how to finalize and tailor your business plan to fit your unique vision.